13. Climate action. The goal is to reduce global warming, address climate-related hazards in all countries, take up policies nationally, and build knowledge and capacities to meet climate change. AI for climate action has the potential to reduce global greenhouse gas emissions by up to 4%. Using AI and data from NASA, researchers are able to identify patterns and monitor changes of land surfaces such as decreasing sea area, ice cap surfaces, etc. This would help in determining future risks. AI can also be used to monitor pollution. 14. Life below water. We all know that healthy oceans support climate change mitigation and adaptation efforts. SDG targets to prevent and reduce marine pollution, protect marine and coastal ecosystems, regulate harvesting, and end destructive fishing practices, etc. Our oceans are vast and cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface. This makes tracking and measuring life underwater a massive task. Satellite imagery and analysis of boats' movements with a specially designed form of machine learning makes it possible to determine the area of illegal fishing or seafaring vessels. 15. Life on land. The SDG aims at protecting, restoring, and promoting the sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, managing forests, fighting deforestation, reversing land degradation, and stopping biodiversity loss. In future, AI methods may be used to create a digital dashboard for the planet to help us monitor, model, foresee, and manage environmental systems at a global scale. 16. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. This SDG aims to guarantee justice and freedom for all people by 2030. The target is to significantly reduce all forms of violence with communities and governments to end conflict and insecurity. 17. Partnerships for the goals. To be successful in achieving the goals as large as SDGs, it is very much required to have partnerships between the stakeholders like government, private sector, and civil society. The sharing has to be of knowledge, expertise, technology, and financial resources to support and achieve the sustainable development goals in all the countries. AI can be a vital tool for the global community to achieve the targets of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Asia and the Middle East have already instigated to focus on AI as a part of their development strategy and economic growth.